if you're getting connection problem or invalid MMI code on your Android phone when you try to dial a USSD code, now this tutorial will guide you on how to resolve this problem. Make sure to follow the instructions very carefully. Now I can close this screenshot here. Now what you need to do, just try the first step. Turn on your flight mode and then wait for a few seconds, and then you can turn it off and then connect to your network. Make sure your network is connected, so then you can dial the USSD code. Let's say you want to dial this USSD code, and you can try to see if you're still experiencing the same problem. Now if you're still experiencing the same issue, now you can try this. Just tap on your settings and then scroll down, select on connections, and then on connections select mobile networks. Now what you need to do, just try to switch network mode. Now you can find several networks here like 4G, 3G. Just try to set it maybe like to LTE preferred, and then after setting to LTE or any lesser network, and then basically just need to try to switch to any network here on the network mode, and then try to dial the USSD code. Now if you're still experiencing the same problem despite changing the network preferred mode, now do this. Let's say you want to dial this USSD code, which is this one, just an example, and then you're still experiencing the problem. What you need to do, just hold it on the star here. So hold it for a few seconds. So I'm going to hold it, and then it will come a comma here. Now also see a comma, try to dial with a comma, and then try to check if you're still experiencing the same problem. Now if you're still experiencing the same issue, now the last step, just tap on your settings and then scroll down, select on general management or more settings, and then select on reset, and then scroll down. You'll see reset mobile network settings, so tap on it and then select reset settings. This will reset all mobile network settings. After resetting, then you can try to dial the USSD code and then check if the problem has been resolved or not. Thank you so much for watching the video, and see you next time.